Hey Bob, it's Colin. Yeah, I ran out of space on my computer. I had to make a little bit of room so I could do some videos here. Okay, so I'm going to open up the any old page here, the About page, for example, and pop in some form code, which I've copied from the Bootstrap site, and we'll see what it looks like. Then I'll show you where you can go find you can change the background color, border colors, all sorts of good stuff like that. But, I'm just going to paste the form right in this area here. And let's go, pop it in like so. Go back, okay, there it is there. So let's just save this here. And I want to have a little look-see in the browser, and it should be looking something like this. Now, it's pre-styled, and when you put a form in to your page, it should look something like this. So when you click in it, it turns dark, so the white writing, and the form field itself is a dark red, so it really stands out on the page. You were saying the form that you have, it looks like it's white on a white background and you can't see it. I have a feeling that you've maybe copied that in from something and it's taken the form style. So I was wondering if you could post that up to a sandbox for me, or zip it up, put it up to OneDrive or Google Drive or something like that, so I can get a copy of the site or the page. Because I'd certainly like to see it, because this is what I'm doing a video so I can say here's what it should look like. Okay. Because it actually, boom, but I'll show you where these are styled. I'm going to go and look right here. The form control is actually in the styles, line 605 or so. And so if we go into the site and we go to the site styles, styles right here, and we go probably at least halfway down. Yeah, about halfway down or so. And we're looking for, here we go, right here. It starts with all this right here, and then it gets all detailed after that with all the little diddly bits and pieces. But basically, here is the background color right there. Okay, and that's the reddish color that you see, and that's the border, and it can be changed. That's the color of the text that's inside the box. But to me, if you've got a white form, it sounds like it's been copied in from the styles for the form have also been copied into the page somehow. Now the other thing is, how do you copy in something from Word document? We were talking about that earlier. So here's a document I have right here. So you could basically just take all the text from your Word document right here. Okay. Let's just do this as an example, and you copy it like so. Now, what will happen is typically in a page, and I'm going to use a different page here. I'm going to use the single column page as an example. When you do that, a lot of this stuff is going to be copied in and formatted incorrectly, right? Oh, I didn't even copy properly, so hang on a sec here. Copy. That's probably because I'm using this online thing here. So edit, copy. Let's try that. And paste, and there it is right there. It sort of pastes in using the default Word stuff that we don't really want. I don't want this. I want the text to look like this and not like this. So what you would do is put your cursor where you want to put the information in your page. Go Edit, Paste Text, okay, and then you have some options. And you can play around with these to find out what works best for you. Usually I go with normal paragraphs with line breaks. And I go OK, and see it adds all the text in there. Like that. And then I can go, if I have to do any heading formatting or anything like that, I go and do that manually. But it just pastes the text in without any additional formatting from the Word document. But it keeps the paragraphs, so you don't have to go through necessarily and I'm going to give them some space, right? Like so. All right, just hit the Enter key and then pop it back into place like that. But it's a little bit faster than, copying and pasting and then reformatting by hand, and it's a fairly safe way. But there's different options. You paste text, and then you can try different ones, right, to see which one you like the best.